Morning, my dear students of the B2 level. Remember, this week we have a long holiday. That means that we are not having classes this week. Remember, next week we're going to continue with normal classes, but this week, no classes. So we are going to do a brief review about what we learned last class. Again, let me show you a bit about what we started learning. So give me a second, please, as I share my screen. Okay, last class we started learning about the ways of learning, and of course we check about some examples of toys according to the ways of learning. Also, we check about the relative clauses. So we are going to start by making a brief review related to this, to the relative clauses. So, my dear students, let's get ready because I am going to show you my screen and together we are going to complete that, okay? So let's get ready and here we go. Okay, this is going to be very simple. What do we have to do here? We are going to complete according to the relative clause that we need, okay? Don't forget that according to what we are talking about, the relative clause is different. We use which and that for objects. We use who for people. We use where for places, when for dates, and for sure, why for reasons. Don't forget there is one also that we learned that is whose, that we use it to talk about possessions. So let's get ready to start, please. And here we go. Okay, here we go. Let's get ready. Let's start from the very beginning. And here we go. I know a great place. Place. Exactly, the word is where. The next, let's continue. Sam is the man who works for the president. Sam is the man. Tell me, is this a person? Is this a place, a date, a reason? What is it? You can check here to the left, to the right, we got the examples. So, Sam is the man who works for the president. Excellent. Continue, number 3. Food is imported from other countries is expensive. Food which is imported from other countries is expensive. Let's carry on. Number 4. The cookies you baked are really delicious. The cookies which, remember, they are objects. Let's carry on to the next. I visited my uncle, lives in different city. My uncle, what is it? Object, people, place, date, reasons, or possessions. I visited my uncle who? Again, perfect. Let's carry on to the next. Do you know anyone knows why there are no penguins at the North Pole? Do you know anyone who? Remember, people. Okay, let's go to the next. I want to borrow the book you bought last month. I want to borrow the book. This is an object, so which? My house is very, very big. Is very big, is very cold. My house, tell me, object, people, place, date, reasons, or possessions. Which? Okay, this is right. Sydney is the place, of course, where? Let's carry on to the next. Can you find the teacher you talked to this morning? the teacher. What is this? Remember, this is a person, people. And you find the teacher who. And the last one, this is the place I told you about. Excellent. This is the place that I told you about. Excellent. So we got the first part. Amazing. I guess that you are very clear about the relative pronouns and the relative clauses. Let's continue now because we are going to do a very, very interesting game. Okay, here it comes. What are we going to talk about? Now we are going to talk about colors. Colors, and for sure, the psychology that is behind colors. Just give me a second, please, and here you go. I am going to show you some pictures. This is on page number 8, and you are going to get you are going to tell me what colors can you see in the pictures. You have 2 minutes, please, and you can check it out. Okay, nice. So we got it. As you can see, we got many colors: yellow, orange, green, black, white, blue, okay, brown, of course. So what are we going to talk about today? We are going to talk about colors. Yes? So here we go, my dear students. Let's get ready with that. And here it is, okay? Let's go with this very easy exercise, and this is it. Name the colors of the words in the box below as quickly as you can. Don't read the words, say the color of each word regardless of what the word says. For example, if the word green is written in black, you should set black. So ready, set, go. Black, yellow, green, purple, blue, red. One more time. This time you got to do it faster. Black, yellow, green, purple, blue, and red. Faster and faster this time. Black, yellow, green, purple, blue, and red. Faster, come on, you can do it. Black, yellow, green, purple, blue, and red. Black, yellow, green, purple, red, blue, and red. Okay, I got confused. So there you go. So what are we going to do now? We are going to do this listening activity that is, what things do you associate with these colors in your culture? We are going to listen some words, and you are going to tell me what is the first color that comes to your mind. White, black, red, yellow, blue, green, orange, purple, or pink. So let's get ready to start. Here we go. Listen carefully. Let me play the audio now, okay? Hold on a minute. And here it goes. I'm having a problem with my connection, but I am going to fix it. Hold on, please. Don't you get despair.
Unit of them, like a baby.
Okay, here we go. Listen carefully.
King Jr. and right
Of the jungle, as old and as true. The
Okay, so let's listen now. Remember, we are going to listen 30 words and you are going to tell me what color do you associate with? Okay, here we go.
Unit 2, Lesson 2. Listening and Speaking, Exercise 1.
Anger, bad luck, calmness, cheerfulness, cold, cowardice, creativity, danger, death, energy, environment, good luck, happiness, heat, innocence, jealousy, joy, love, money, morning, nature, peace, purity, sadness, spring, summer, warmth, warning, weddings, winter.
Listening and Speaking, Exercise 3.
Okay, we're gonna listen one more time and we are going to check. Remember, you need to tell me what color do you associate with. So here we go, one more time.
Cheerfulness,
Exercise 1.
anger, bad luck, calmness, cheerfulness, cold, cowardice, creativity, danger, death, energy, environment, good luck, happiness, heat, innocence, jealousy, joy, love, money, morning, nature, peace, purity, sadness, spring, summer, warmth, warning, weddings, winter.
Excellent, so you got it. If you want to, you can repeat the video and listen one more time. And just to finish, just let me check it out. What are we going to do? We are going to do the next reading activity. And this is really interesting. It's about color and its psychology. Color psychology, that is the study of the effects that color has on our brains and therefore on our state of mind. Okay, so just to finish, you are going to do this reading activity on page number 20. Can you see it? And then please, you are going to answer to the questions. We are going to discuss next class about what you found about this, okay? So this is going to be all for today and for this week. Remember, you are going to finish, you are going to do the reading activity about color psychology. Okay, thank you. See you next week, my dear students. That's going to be all for today.